Hello students, the topic for the day is punctuation and capital letters. Now we need to understand this is a very simple topic, but generally we tend to make a lot of mistakes in this topic. It is a very concrete set of grammar wherein a lot of punctuation marks make a lot of difference in the meaning of sentence. For example, let's look at the board. Now we have a sentence that says a woman without a man is nothing. Right? Let's punctuate it in two different forms. Let's see how we can punctuate it. In first form, a woman without a man is nothing. Now, in the first sentence, a woman without her man is nothing. When we add these commas into it, the entire meaning of the sentence gets changed. Here, we are trying to imply that a woman without her man is nothing. That means a woman is indirectly dependent on a man. Right? Now, let's punctuate the same sentence in a different way. Now, let's see this. In the second example, a woman, semicolon, without her, comma, man is nothing. Now, read these two sentences very carefully and you can see a lot of difference. That is, in the first sentence means that a woman is entirely dependent on a man. But in the second sentence, a woman without her, man is nothing. In the second sentence, just because of the punctuations that we have added, the sentence meaning entirely changes and a man becomes dependent on a woman. So this is the actual power of punctuation. We need to understand that this is a very simple topic, but it holds a very concrete formula in grammar because our punctuations make a different meaning in the sentence. Various punctuation marks that we will learn how to use today is a comma, a full stop, an exclamation mark, mark of interrogation, or we call it question mark, a colon and a semicolon. So today we are going to understand when and why are these punctuation marks used in sentences. As per this example, we need to understand that punctuation is again a very powerful tool used in grammar and it can change the entire meaning of the sentence given above. This sentence is a vivid example for this. Let's move on further.